But that's why last year we changed our strapline from the old Retailing Market Association, which is what IORMA originally stood for, to be the Global Consumer Commerce. Because we got fed up with e-commerce and m-commerce and whatever, and we realised that e-commerce is primarily channel switch, retailing sales don't go up, it's just a different channel that it comes from. But we felt really the focus was really the increasing power that the consumers have, because they were being technology enabled, hence consumer commerce, which of course embraces retail. But if you look at retail consumer spend, probably less than half of it globally is via retailing. So there's a lot of other expenditure that takes place which isn't necessarily through retailing. Or some people don't know it's retailing, like all the soccer clubs around the world. Are soccer clubs retailers? Maybe yes, maybe no. Selling cars, wherever people spend their money. So we've now evolved to the stage where we took this view, and it wasn't by accident that the image that we have on the flyer there. We happened to stumble across that from NASA. And that's on the space station. We thought that represented us fairly well, because we're trying increasingly to look from the eyeballs, if you will, of the 7.4 billion global consumers. And in the same way that, so we understand, we all heard the phrase that we've learned more about planet Earth in the last 50 years of space travel than we have in the history of mankind. Looking from the outside in. And that's a little bit how IORMA has evolved, to looking from the outside in, looking from the consumer, where the money comes from, consumer expenditure. But that now embraces, consumers, how much money have they got, and where did they spend it, and how they spend it. A lot of it's retailing, but a lot's not. So we're looking at those trend lines, while at the same time saying, are they going to be in employment? We're looking at some of the forecasts for automation and various things. And parallel to that, we're looking at all the various technologies which are now impacting society in its widest sense. Yes, shopping, but also many other areas, how consumers spend their money. So part of our observatory function and our research function is to look at all the emerging technologies, whether it's artificial intelligence, whether it's robotics, whether it's drones, whether it's particularly 3D printing. I mentioned courtesy of UKTO 2.5 years ago at National House with a presentation that somehow ended up being between Vince Cable and David Cameron, and I was asked to be provocative. So I ended up my presentation.
You weren't asked to keep them apart.
No, they were separated.